Greetings and happy Midsummer Day from Grundvik in Ljusterö, Österåker municipality. And I'm here on these interesting rock formations out on the open sea. This is where many boats are passing by, including the big cruising ships from Viking Line and Silja to go on their way to Poland, Mariehamn, that is, and then also to Finland, Estonia and Latvia. It is 25 degrees Celsius on this Saturday and currently just 11:30 a.m. And it's absolutely amazing. Yesterday was one of the best Midsummer Eve celebrations I have ever had. There was lots of food, lots of cakes, drinks also as well, champagne and stuff, and also it was dance around the Midsummer Stone, or how is it called in English, I don't know. And then also there was also a party in the evening as well. And I swam yesterday 6 times 15 minutes, total of 3 kilometers almost. And I have already been swimming today once in the morning, so this will be my second swim for today. And 25 degrees Celsius in the air and around 20 degrees in the sea. It depends based on the winds. This morning was 18, but now the top layer has been a bit more warmed up thanks to the sun and to the hot weather. And from here I can also jump into the sea, as you can see. We reached the number 67 it is today, so it's time for this vlog from Midsummer Day out on the sea in the Stockholm's archipelago, when it is the best, for sure. So let's then get going and jump and enjoy a bit longer time in the sea here, for sure. Let's see. Okay, time for Chris to rumble. Just look at how beautiful the water is. And I think it is deep enough to jump, so I'm just gonna go with the flow and believe it is deep enough. So Chris is ready for sure. So ready, set, and go! It's amazing. It's so beautiful. I love it. A bit refreshing, definitely not 20 degrees, but around 17 maybe for sure. Just look at this amazing cliffs and rocks out on the open sea here in Österåker municipality. I feel blessed to be able to live in a city that has many islands and such a beautiful summer weather so far. Not too hot, not too cold, but this is probably the first year that midsummer is so hot. Usually it always rains on midsummer, and the forecast says for tonight is going to be some rain, but let's see if that holds up indeed. But perfect way to spend the midsummer day, Saturday that is, and enjoy the weekend at the maximum. There are lots of houses here that has their area, or how to say, their parcel on the open sea, which is amazing. So that's my now goal in life, to buy a home that has access to open sea, because then you can also have a boat and then visit as many islands. And there are a lot of islands in Sweden, 280,000, is it? 262,000 maybe, yes. That's a lot of islands. So happy midsummer and greetings from Ljusterö from Österåker. Chris, it's time to enjoy with a swim. The sea is amazing for sure. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I didn't want to end the episode just yet, while we have wonderful waves and this beautiful sea here. It's so amazing. Cool. Now let's enjoy another beautiful sunny day and out on the open sea, and hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend or day wherever you are or currently watching the video. Thank you so much, and see you soon again with another Beach Adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!